Okay. So, I did 1 mile for speed, which is at 9:12, I think. And then I did 6 about 45-meter bursts at about 80% effort. And these are great for your legs, and it goes back to that high intense interval training that I talk about, which is my problem area, my legs. And the only thing that they respond to is running. So again, it's an active rest day, which meant no lifting, but we're still running, we're doing something. So 1 mile for speed, as fast as you can, and then 6 40-meter bursts, about 70-75% your effort. Don't forget to hydrate. Don't forget to pay attention to how much you're sweating. If you're getting overheated, especially this sun in the south is ridiculous. But that's it for me today. Sunday workout with Corey. There he is there. All right.